Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we saw the category part of the library management system. In this class, I am going to teach the author part. Right now, what I am going to do is here the category.java, the same page we have to get the copy. Right. So here, right click, copy, select the package, right click, paste, refactor copy. Right, the same category form I am get the copy. Right, here I am going to change it as a author. Right, author of the book. Right, author. Right, here click refactor. Right, the same copy of the category.java, here it will be displayed here. If you go to the design, you will be able to see. Now here you have to make the modification. Right, instead of again you have to design the form, you just get the copy and we have to do it. It's very easy. Here if you go to the source code, you will be able to see here the class name will be automatically changed as a author. Here constructor change as author. Other codes are coming from this category.java. Right, all the stuff. Right, now here we have to change it as this one as a author. Right, now here select this heading, right click, edit text, this one should be author. Right, this one we have to select this one, right click, edit text, this one should be name, author name, you have to write as name. Right, now here we no need a status here, we just remove them. We need only this combo box. Select this one and press delete key on your keyboard and delete. Here we have to arrange them. Name, second one should be address, that should be address of the author, this one should be the must. Right, address, and go to the palette and drag the text area. Right, text area, here the text area, like here, this area is here, you have to drag here. Right, under the heading of swing menus. Right, here you will be able to add the address, right, of the author. Right, after that I need another thing is phone number, author's phone number. So I am going to go to the same label, we have to get the label here and we have to right click, properties, we have to the font, we have to change it as Times New Roman, here this one, and here we have to change this one as a size of 12, click OK, the foreground color as yellow. Right, you have to make it as right, perfect. Now here this one should be this one, phone. Right, now the size is little bit small, so let's increase the size. 40 is perfect. Right, it's perfect. Now here I need to one text box field, drag on the here. Right, this one, right click, edit text, remove the existing text and select this one. We have to change the name of this one. This one change as txt name. Right, click OK. This one, right click, change txt address, click OK. This one, right click, change variable, this one should be txt form. Right, this is the thing you have to do first. Right, okay, right, perfect. Now we have successfully designed the form. Here we have to change the modification of the JTable. So select the JTable, right click, table contents, we have to change the rows. Here this is the rows, ID, category name and status. Instead of that we have to go to ID should be the same, other thing is name, this one should be author name. Author name. After that this one should be address, this one has 6 string, this one has a string. After that this one should be phone number, this one has a integer. So these are the fields we have to create on the JTable, right? Perfect. Right. Now what I'm going to do is here, first I'm going to go to the database. I'm going to create the table, right? I already created the category table. I'm going to create a new table as a author table. So you have to write a name author. How many columns we need? 4. Perfect. Click go. Here first ID. We have to give the ID as auto increment. So select index primary, auto increment. Right. After that, name of the author. This one should be Vacha. 255 characters. After that, address. We have to select as a text. Right. It's a long address. So after that, phone number is, we have to int 11. Right. Here we have successfully created the table columns. Click save button. Now your authors table has been created successfully. Right. Now let's back to our form. Right here. Right. Now here go to the source. Here we already established the connection. Perfect. Right, we no need to add the connection. We already established a connection because I copied from this page, category page, all the category page I copied here. So that connection also we did. Right, connection also same each and every form. Second one, here we are not loaded the category. Here we are loaded the authors. Right, so we first we have to insert the record. Right, before we after insert the record we will load the table. Right, now first go to the at this one, right click, event, action perform. Here we have to change the things. Right, first one should be which one? This one we have to assign to the variable. This one, right? This one should be what's the name? txt name. This one txt address. This one txt form. Right. Now what I'm going to do is here, go to the source. Here we have to create the variable txt name equal relevant text box the name should be txt name dot get text. Right. After that, string address equal txt address dot get text. Right. After that, I write another thing is a string phone equal txt phone dot get text. Right. I have created 3 variables and assigned to the relevant text boxes successfully. Right. Now after that, when the user enters the value on these text boxes, value should be added on the database table. So these values, these text box values are assigned to this variable. Now here I have to write the insert query. This insert query we are written for the category. Instead of the category we have to write as a author. Here what are the columns available? Go to here, the same name we have to type on the column name on the code. Sorry, right? Okay, now name, address, phone. Right, now here we have to write, this one should be name, this one should be address, this one should be phone. Right, perfect. Now here we have to write the prepare statement. So we have to write 3 question mark for that, name, address, phone. Right. Now here we have to write, first one should be name, second one should be address, third one should be, you have to write as a Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste below. This one should be phone. Right, perfect. After that, what I'm going to do is here we have to, after we have to equal this variable, we have to get it here. Right, it goes to this question mark. Name should be go here, address should be go here, phone number should be here, go here. After all the stuff are correct, we have to insert the record here. If you call this function, it is insert the record in the database. Here this time not category added, author added, author created. Right. After that we have to simply, right, we have to simply, what I am going to do is here we have to clear the form after the author. So txt name dot setText clear. After that, same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be txt address. After that, same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste. This one should be txt form. Right, like this. Right, you have to clear. After clear, text box cursor will be focused on the txt name, right? So you have to click this focus. If you call this function, the cursor after cleared all the form, and cursor will be focused on the this txt name text box, right? That's the stuff I did here so far, right? That's the stuff we have to do, right? Okay, so everything should be correct. Record is added, author created, otherwise show the error. That's the thing we have to do, right? Now let's check whether it's working fine or not, right? Okay. Now here if you execute the program, then show the error. It's not an error, we just, because we have copied this page from the category.java, that's why the error should be here. The error should be there, we have to modify. That's a no problem. Here we have to run anyway. And here we have write John 123 and password 123, right? Here click category. It's not a category, John. Let's cancel it. Author, sorry, I didn't give the link for that. Here go to the main.java. I'm going to make the link for the author page. So here select the author button, right click, event, action perform. Here we have to give the link as author, create the object A equal new author. Here we have right here is a dot set visible. Right, that's the thing we have write, only we have write like this. Okay, now let's execute the program. Run anyway. John 123, click login, author, it successfully goes to the page. Now here we have to add the record. This is not the record is coming from the category table. Okay, we have to modify. Okay, if it is added successfully, we have to modify the things. Okay, here first author name we have to write as a Rajesh, address India, phone number we have to write something like that. Click add button, author create, right? Click OK, it's clear, right? Successfully. Now let's back to our database and check whether it's working fine or not, right? Click the author table, here it's working fine, right? Record is inserted successfully. Now let's close the one, right? Now after that, what I'm going to do is here, after record added successfully, we have to load the records into the JTable, right? Now let's go above. Here I have written the JTable function, right? Public void category load. Here what I'm going to do is here, we have write author load function, author load, right? Function. After that, select all from this one should be author table, this table. I'm going to load all the records from the author table. After that, what are the columns available? We have to give here, right? First one should be ID, second one should be name, after that address form, right? After that address, after that control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be form, right? That's the thing we have to write. Now here this function, control C to copy, control V to paste here, right? After the database is first I have called the database function, database is connected. After that you have to call this author load. If you call this function, when the form is loaded, the JTable will be loaded, right? Now let's check whether it's working fine or not, right? Run anyway. John 123, click login, author. Here it's perfectly JTable data should be loaded, right? Fine. Now let's close it, right? Now after that, what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to go to edit the data and delete the data, right? How to do the task? First, before you have to edit or delete the data, we have to get the data back to my form. if you select the row, the selected row data should be displayed on this form for init. So let's do how to do that. So select this JTable, right click, event, mouse clicked. Right here I have wrote the previous course. So here we have to write, here is this ID. We have to get this ID. Here ID, the column should be 0 position, so that we have to put the 0. We have to equal into the variable ID, right? We have shown this all the stuff in my last tutorial. Right, now here second one should be, we have to write is here txt name. Txt name means this text box txt name. Second one should be txt address, so we have to get the copy of this one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. This one should be txt address. Right, here we have to, second one should be 2. This one should be 2. Right, this one we don't need it, we remove them. After that, get the copy, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be 4. This one position 3. Right, the data JTable position, the IDs and ID mean 0 position, author mean 1, address mean 2, phone number mean 3. So here I have written like this, 1, 2, 3rd position. Okay, ID means 0 position. Right, you have written. Okay, right, when you select the record, the particular row, what is the row here available, you have set into the relevant text boxes. It goes to the text boxes and display the record here. Right, so I have written like this. Right, now let's check whether it's working fine or not. If you do anything changes, you must check. Okay, if you select this one, it's successfully working. Right, if you select, you can't add the record, you edit to delete the record, you update to delete the record, you will be do it. Right, now let's close it. Now let's back to our project. After that, what I am going to do is here, the record should be successfully displayed on this form. After that, we will be able to update or delete the data. So select the update button, event, action perform. Here we have to write is right, same thing, we have to copy the things. Same insert code we have to copy the insert code. Control C to copy, update button here, Control V to paste here. This is stuff. Right, now here what I am going to do is here, we have get the ID. Okay, if you select the particular row, the ID should be important for update or delete the record. Okay, because ID should be the primary key. So here when the table clicked event, this click event, mouse click event, I have wrote the ID here. What is the 0 position? ID should be passing to the variable. Right, so here we have to copy these things. Control C to copy, Control V to paste to this update code. Right, perfect. Right, that's the thing we have to do. Right, now we have to do the things is instead of the insert code, we have to write as update code. Update, which table you are going to update the record? You have to update the record is a authors table. Author, yes, set equal name, sorry, set name equal question mark comma address equal question mark comma phone equal question mark where ID equal question mark. Right, these are the columns available in our database table right here. Right, okay. Right, now here we have wrote here we have to pass this record text. These are the text box data we have to pass into here. Right, after that we have to update the data. Right, this goes to this question mark, first one, second should be goes to here, third one goes to here ID. Right, get the ID and update the row. Right, so which ID, when you select this particular row, this ID should be passing. So I have get the ID here, ID variable here. 0 position should be ID. It assigned to the variable ID. You have to call it here. So you have to get the another bypass control C copy control V to paste here. Here this one should be int because the data type should be int. So here write as a ID. This one should be 4th because 1, 2, 3rd, 4th position. 4th. Right. That's the thing we have to write. Here we have to write as a category updated. Right. That's the thing we have to do. Right. Now, if you add or edit the data, table should be loaded. So here you have to this tab author load this one. Control C to copy. You have to call it here. When you insert the record, Control C to copy. Table should be loaded. When you update the record, also table should be loaded. Right. That's the thing we have to do. Right. After that, we have to delete the record. So what I am going to do, the same code we have to copy. Right. Same update code we have to copy. Event action perform. So here what I am going to do is the same update code. This is the same update code we have to get the copy. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here, we no need this text fields things because I need only the ID. Get the ID. If you click this record, get the ID and delete all the records, right? All the rows. Okay. So here we have to write delete from which table? Delete from authors table where ID equal question mark. What's the ID you are selected? It's passing to here. So here we no need these things, only the ID. This one should be 1. Only one prepare statement available here, 1. Right? Get the ID and we have to remove the things. Delete. That's the thing we have to do. Perfect. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Okay. Now we have all the form records we have changed. So we no need we don't have any error. Now here we have write as John 123. Click login. Click author. Successfully visit. Now click on this one. If you want to update the record first, click update. Authors update successfully. Here it's updated successfully. Now I want to delete the record. Click on the record. Click delete button. Authors deleted. Click OK. Here it's deleted successfully. Here if it is deleted or if it is deleted updated, the button should be visible. So set enable true. So here we have to make it as things. What's the name of the button? J button 1. So here updated, you have to after get the message authors updated, your write here is J button 1 dot set enable true. Same thing. Control C to copy, Control V to paste the delete as well. Right. That's the thing we have to do. Right. Now first I am going to go to the here. Let's close it. We have another button for cancel. So here click on this one, right click, event action perform. Here it's already written. Okay. For this because I copied this page from the category.java. Category.java we have written these codes, right? We no need to write. Okay. Everything perfect. Now let's check. John 123 login, click authors, successfully visiting. I'm going to write the authors are Peter, India, phone number I have to write. Right. Click add button, authors created. Right. Now I am going to create another author. Kishan, India. So phone number, right, like this. Click add. Right, authors created successfully. Now if you want to edit, click on this one. If you want to edit the things, click updated. authors updated. Okay, here it's clear, right? Okay, if you cancel it, it's cancelled, right? I hope you guys understood the authors part well. In my next tutorial I am going to teach the publisher part, right? Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you for watching.